Face-to-face events like Pittcon are critical. I mean, so much was lost over the COVID years, not just in terms of lab productivity, but in terms of personal contact and exchange of information. Science thrives when there is a lot of interaction between scientists. That interaction is a lot better face-to-face than via Zoom or remote type capabilities.
This is where you really meet the people that are at the edge of what they can do, but they are equally interested to hear from us what their instruments can do, but especially also what their instruments cannot do yet. So I think it's the networking with the people at the exhibition, also at the technical program, where you get new ideas, where you can say what your challenges are, and where you can make new friends and new collaborators.
It's been amazing and enthralling. We are having such a wonderful dialogue and collaboration, idea sharing, not only with the attendees, but also with the exhibitors.
Being here and see the new instrument and touch it, and that gives a sense of that is different, and ask questions to the person that is trying to promote the particular instrument. So I think there is a lot of value into that.
I've been in the field for 40-something years. This is my 40th Pittcon, and very happy to be here, seen a lot of changes over the years.
Pittcon is a very interesting conference and benefits a lot, not only like established investigator, but especially young investigator and students. It brings us to interact not only with academics, but also with people from the industry. So we actually are exposed to the real world problems and allows us to get out of our academic bubble.
We encourage colleges, universities, K through 12 programs to apply for our grants and scholarships and then use that to promote science education. And that's basically what Pittcon is about.
The conversations that you'll hear, the opportunities to sort of mix and mingle, you'll find people that may not necessarily seem like you have a lot in common, but once you start talking to them about the troubles that you run into in the lab or the types of samples that you run, you'll find out there's really a wealth of knowledge out there that we can all just sort of learn from each other.
When it comes to meeting face-to-face, the importance of that is when we talk about, especially with sustainable construction materials, getting people in the same room, like architects, contractors, engineers. The face-to-face connections that you make at an event like this are what allow true innovation to take place because of the coming together of multidisciplinary perspectives.
I'm excited to be at the legendary Pittcon. Now that I'm here, I can see what all the buzz is about. It's a great vibe. The talks that I've attended so far have been really scientifically challenging and interesting. And we've got our own booth, and we've had some phenomenal traffic in the booth. And I look forward to even walking around and seeing what others are doing as well. But yeah, so far, this is, why haven't I been here before?
Part of the reason that I'm so driven to help and be a part of this is the philanthropy that we do. To see the impact that we've made with K through 12 and seeing them now walk the floor, there's no greater reward to that.
Pittcon has just been such historically a beautiful meeting to get together. And I personally miss that. I must also say that my gluteus maximus is sore from being on Zoom, and we need to get off our duffs and get back to business as usual. All of the kind of business-to-business interactions that happen at Pittcon, academic, cross-sector to business, government, and especially for our trainees and the next generation, just such a critical element to get out of the Zoom world and back to Pittcon.